Mr. Kaushik. Now, where is the order of the Rajasthan High Court? We'd like to see the order of the Rajasthan High Court. One second.
PDF 1053 minutes.
In where will we get it?
1053 PDF.
In which matter? Additional affidavit of?
NTA.
No, in
Lord,
1
minute, my lord. 1 minute, my lord. An order was being passed by the High Court, Bombay High Court this morning.
That is that Shivangi Mishra's case?
It is in Vanshika.
Vanshika.
R13. R12.
10.
running page 106, PDF 108.
Of the Karnataka High Court.
Karnataka. This is Rajasthan is 106.
Rajasthan High Court, my lord, annexure R13.
R13, okay.
Earlier one is Karnataka.
This was only pertaining to one candidate.
That is not relevant. Candidate.
Yes,
Okay, my lord, I'll just answer, my lord, that. My lord, we received representations, similar representations. So, my lord, it was thought proper, pro-student measure, that let everyone get an opportunity to apply. But the relevant figures are now, my lord, with me.
No, but this order was in respect to one student.
One student only.
Who had not paid his fees.
Correct.
So now what did the NTA do? NTA allowed everybody to apply afresh.
Yes, sir. Correct. NTA had received 3,000 representations and 900 emails on account of inability of the students to make the application due to mismatch, not able to Aadhaar, authentication could not be done by most of the students. OTP was not received, OTP could not be received and fees could not be made. So all these aspects were the subject matter of these representation. In the light of this court order and the order of the Honorable High Court of Karnataka, we opened up this registration.
But this order had nothing to do with that.
Order is
The
only
Karnataka disposed it.
But the relevant figure is this. My lord, we received, as my learned friend says, because of these difficulties, they could not make the my lord, appropriate application within time. My lord, we received 15,000 new registrations, approximately, maybe plus minus. My lord, we received 3,000 physical representations and 900 representations on email. But the relevant figure is this. Out of this new 14,094 students, I'm sorry, 15,094 students,
Yes.
those who will be getting admission in 1,08,000 are only 44.
44 students are?
Qualifying for getting admission and are within 1,08,000, which is the total number of medical seats.
14.
And 12,665 candidates are getting less than 200. That means they are failing.
12,000?
665 out of these.
200 marks out of?
720.
Out of 720.
They are failing. Out of 1,500, 12,000 are 15,000, 12,000 are failing. Just to indicate and satisfy.
Only 44 got in at
Yes.
To satisfy our lordship's conscience
Yes.
that this was not, my lord, intended to help someone.
Right.
It was, my lord, a pro-student measure ultimately that we have received 3,000 physical representations and 900 representations on email. Let window be open for 2 days. And the figure new registration is 15,094. 15,085, not I stand corrected.
Oh.
85.
Mr. Vida.
Yes, Lord. Lord, I don't want to spend much time on
No,
that.
one more aspect, my lord. There was one kind of a discrepancy which was noticed in the first half regarding the Jaipur. The chart which your lordships have seen contains where in 2003 and 2004, there was an increase. In 2003, 3% fall within, let's say, first 100, and it became 4. In Jaipur, that is Rajasthan, 2023 also 9 students were in first 100, and this time also they were in first 100. So that chart depicts cities where there is an increase this time, which is from 224, 225. Rest are 110, 110, etc.
Yes.
On the IIT chart, I don't want to spend much time, just 2-3 tables I want to show, and I
So
want
now,
to proceed because there is much better evidence on record to show a leak and a systemic.
Now, what are your submissions? Now, why don't you formulate
My
your submission?
submission with regard to IIT chart, first was that there is a conflict of interest. 2, they have taken the data of 23,33,000 to have this bell-shaped curve and to say that it does not show any abnormality. I say 1 or 2 or 3% insertion of other candidates using unfair means can't be detected in such large data.
Yes.
Third, I say the different tables they are giving without declaring the result, they are giving the data only with regard to 2 to 3 cities and not the entire data for the scrutiny of the petitioners. It is a
Yes.
sampling they have done to suit their own. 8 and 9 at page 15. They are drawing, kindly see table 8 and 9, how wrong they have gone in their analysis. They are showing a table 8 at page 15. The center-wise rank of top 500. Now, my lord, for 24 is the table 4. So, Bhatinda, they say only 5. Sikar, they say 4. Surat, they say 4. Now, my lord, they are comparing this with the data of 23.
Where do you get that? Where do you get that table?
Table 8, my lord.
Table 8.
Correct. Table 8, center-wise rank of 2024, my lord.
Yes.
So, they focus on Bhatinda, Sikar and Surat. And they give the number of students. Now, the next table, they are comparing the 2 tables to show that there is no abnormality. In the next center-wise rank of 23 of top 500. Now, they are comparing Rajkot with Bhatinda, Vijayawada with Sikar, Delhi with Surat. I do not know how they do it. If they are doing a comparison, center-wise rank of 2 different years, they have to compare apple with apple. But they say, no, we will do it like this. This doesn't make any sense whatsoever. And the argument I am making is, they cannot take support of this IIT Madras report to say that there is no leak and there is no cheating.
No, that
and
is, that they're
the
doing,
only thing
they are
is,
seeing if there is any abnormality. That's all. Whether there's a leak or
IIT
not, you have to establish aliende.
Yes, the only thing is IIT Faridabad has not been able to pinpoint the red flags. They say we have not been able to find it. Everything seems to be normal. Now, Lord, may kindly see table 16 straight away, and then I don't want to waste a lot's time on this table because that is not a clinching on either side. Just to show that the kind of inflation is there, which is shown in table 16. And they say this is normal. I say this is not normal. Lord, may kindly see page 17. Now they have given the total number of candidates for 3 years with a rank of 550 to 720. Lord, this is the marks range 550 to 720. This table 16. 2022 in this marks range. Lord, I have done the total. The total of 2022 from marks range of 550 to 720 is 49,134. My lord, may kindly note it somewhere.
24.
49,134 is 2022 total candidate in the marks range of 550 to 720. For the next year, 2023, my lord, the number goes up to 64,520. If I total, my lord, all the four categories given here.
For 2022, how much was it?
My lord, 2022, it was 49,134.
Yes.
23, my lord, this number goes up to 64,520.
And
There is an increase of 15,000, my lord, approximately.
24?
And 24, this figure goes to 1,42,137. So the increase is 77,000. So the previous year, the increase was 15,000.
How many students actually appeared in 2022, 23 and 24? Total students.
Yes, but there is an increase of about 1 lakh students.
2022, how many students appeared?
But it is 3 lakh students. 2.95 to be precise.
2.95 lakh
Yes.
students.
It will be more.
And
Can't be that.
23,
No, it must be much more.
Can't be, it has to be more.
Mr. Kaushik, in 2022, how many students appeared?
okay, yes, but I have this.
This is total.
Total number.
1,87,000.
Yes. But,
1 lakh?
It is. No,
I have the exact figures.
Once again, 18.
I have the exact figures.
I've got the figure, correct figures. It's 18,72,343 registered.
18 lakh 70.